Yo, what's goody SOS crew? It's your boy, it's your man, Marquis Fagan with Land Shark Chronicles with another fit check. Yes, sir, as y'all can see, man, it's a rainy fit check, man, but y'all know I still have to show it off. Y'all see your boy got on the all black rain gear. Yes, sir, still with my Harley vest on. Had to rep Harley Davidson. You come down to the feet, I got on the all black Timberlands, which you can't see, and then your boy put on the Land Shark Chronicle hat with the fresh shades. So yes, sir, man. I say I put the fits together to change the weather, but today it just didn't work. But we still made it do what it do. But remember to comment, like, subscribe, and tell somebody about your boy channel. Other than that, peace out.
Migo.
Talking to me crazy. Been having that.
Yo, what's goody SOS crew? As y'all can see, man, it is raining outside. I don't know if y'all can see this rain, but yes, it is raining. Your boy's about to go pick up Jaws. They said Jaws is ready for pickup. And I know your boy say he don't like riding in the rain, but hey, I'm about to get out here in this rain today and go get Jaws. Got some rain gear from work. Hey, it's gonna have to do today. Y'all see me, man, I'm looking kind of tacky today, but it's all gravy, baby. We about to get out here in this rain and get Jaws. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Yes, sir. Oh, shoot. All right, y'all, so we're in the car. About to go get Jaws. As y'all hear, the seatbelt is beeping. I keep forgetting to put on my seatbelt every time I get in everyday fake car and start recording, so let me get the seatbelt on. Boom, seatbelt on. Stop recording, so if y'all watch Everyday Faye's video, man, she just got finished dancing in the rain and messed around and slipped in the garage and got hurt trying to be like yours truly, your boy, man. Look at her. But yeah, man, it's raining today, but I said by any means necessary, I'm going to get Jaws, and it's not far from the house, so I got my work rain gear, so we're gonna make it do what it do. Get on this bike in the rain and get on back to the house. We gotta go back and I ain't grab a helmet. Can't do nothing without a helmet, y'all. Stay tuned. I'll holler at y'all once we get to the place from the bike. Peace out. All right, y'all. So we made it up here to Wild Child's. I'm about to go in here and get my keys and get my bike back, y'all. Yo, gotta ride by any means necessary. But I'll holler at y'all when I get back in the car and put on my rain gear. Yes, all right, y'all. Time to get dressed. Get this rain gear on. Rain gear. I hope it's still recording.
Rain on me.
But yeah, he said if we start getting people to bring him here, he'll start giving me discounts. He's like, yeah, take some business cards. He's like, you start bringing people here and let them know you sent them. You start getting some discounts. I said, I sure will. Because I told him I put him on my YouTube channel.
Oh, did you give him?
I appreciate it. I said, oh yeah. Ooh. Yes, sir.
My leather getting wet. Hurry up.
The leather some. Hurry up. I'm getting wet too. Pause. Got some Timbos.
That's not the right one. Make sure you lash them together so you don't be looking special. Yeah, you need to straighten it up. Line it up. That's right. Go ahead.
Out here looking like our kid.
I'm like, that ain't my husband.
You ain't even looking at that thing. You ain't even got my whole body in there.
Babe, your body is small. I got your whole body.
I'm talking about my head.
Your head in there too?
But you said your head in there too? Nasty. I'm telling everybody our secrets. Being extra, you know, I still got a rep from my Harley squad. Is my bike still on here? Make sure. Alright, you can cut it off. You can cut it off. So, we about to get ready and take Josh home in the rain, y'all. Hey, had to do what I had to do. Had to do what I had to do, y'all. Let's get ready to get in this rain.
So what's goody SOS crew? I had to do a voiceover on here. As y'all see, your boy about to get started out here in this rain. Yes, sir, your boy did it, man. But as I was saying, I had to do a voiceover because where I had my microphone for my Rode wireless mic, the vest covered it with the rain gear, so you can't really hear me, which is weird. Because as you know, when I started, you can hear me. But once I started riding, I guess the sound of the wind and the engine was too loud, so you really couldn't hear me. So yes, this whole ride, I'm actually talking and explaining how it is to be in the rain, but you can't hear none of it, which sucks. Because as y'all know, voiceovers ain't my thing, man. But I'll try to remember a lot what I was talking about and just kind of fill y'all in on what I was talking about on this ride. So pretty much on this ride, y'all, I was just talking about the rain, how, I was going to get my bike rain, snow, shine. I was not letting y'all sit in that shop. They called me, said my bike was ready. It was raining. I said, guess I'm riding in the rain today, which is funny because Everyday Faye didn't think that I was going to ride because it was raining. But I told her, I'm getting my bike. So I found me some of our rain gear from work, which actually turned out to be pretty cool. As y'all see, man, I wore the pants and the long jacket, so your boy was really dry the whole ride. But since your boy is bougie, I'll probably still buy some Harley Davidson rain gear just for the Harley Davidson name. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I just want to buy it just because it say Harley Davidson, so when I get on my bike, it matches the bike. Like I said, your boy a little bougie like that. I ain't gonna lie, but I will say this rain setup right here worked pretty well. I was dry, feet was dry. Only thing is I probably should have wore leather gloves because the gloves were mesh, so put two and two together. My hands kind of got wet, but it wasn't cold, so it was cool. And I was also explaining, guys, that I need a pin lock for sure. That's why if you notice in this video, my shield is open the whole time on the mask. I tried to close it a few times, but as soon as I closed it, literally in 2.5 seconds, it fogged back up. So I was smart enough, though, to bring the handy dandy shades, as y'all see that I got on. So that pretty much helped. They didn't fog up, kept the rain out my eyes. So all well, that ends well, man. So I can't complain too much. It was a nice little ride in the rain. And not to mention, the shop isn't far from my house. But yes, if y'all see right here, I put the shades down. I was like, let me see how long this will last riding with the shade down, just because I want it to look cool. But y'all will see shortly that I'm going to open it back up. Boop. There you go, back open. That was what, every bit of less than 30 seconds that it was closed. But I would definitely need to get some pin locks, which I don't even know if they have for that helmet, but I'll get it for my other helmets, and those will just have to be the helmets I ride in when it's raining outside. But like I was saying though, with the shades on, it wasn't that bad. They didn't really fog up like that at all because air could get behind the lenses to keep it from fogging. And everything was good, man. A little bit of rain got on my face because it was open, obviously, but nothing that was unbearable at all, man. So yes, as y'all see, your boy rolled in the rain. Wasn't that bad. Think it's something that I could do. Don't prefer to do it, but it felt good to just get out there and do something that I really prefer not to do at all. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I was one of the first people to say, I ain't riding in the rain. I don't care. If it look like it's gonna rain, I ain't getting on my bike. They just gonna have to catch me if it want me to ride in the rain. But today I was like, why not? It's not far from the house. I'm on my bike. And plus, it was good content for you guys. But other than that, I'm not gonna talk y'all heads off too much. I'm just gonna play some of this epidemic sound music, man. Y'all sit back, enjoy the ride. If there's anything else I need to say, I'll pop back on here and talk to you guys, man. But other than that, y'all already know what it is, man. Let's get it in this rain as I ride back home. I holla. So yo, I'm back, and right here, man, I'm on the home stretch back to the crib. I'm almost there. And needless to say, man, it was a pretty cool ride in the rain, I must say. And as y'all see right here, the rain is pretty much stopped. Still wet outside, but the rain has stopped. But like I said, it was not that bad. Hey, I might be able to ride in the rain more often after all, but we shall see. But other than that, man, I hope y'all like this video thus far. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all know all that good stuff. And remember, each one teach one. So go on out there, man. Tell everybody about your boy Land Shark. Share the video, like the video, comment on the video, all that good stuff, man. Let's get up to these 2K subscribers, man. I'm at 15, believe 50. Let's get up here to that 2K, man. But other than that, put it in the comment section below, man. If y'all love to ride in the rain, if you don't ride in the rain, and also what kind of rain gear do you guys rock when y'all get on these bikes in the rain. But other than that, man, Land Shark is signing off. Yes, sir. Yer. I'll see y'all when we get back to the crib. I holla. Made it back home. But y'all know what I forgot to do? I forgot to pray, man. Y'all let your boy forget to pray before I got on my bike. Man, Lord, forgive me. But thank you still for another safe ride, man. So, yes, your boy forgot to pray. But, hey, it's all good now, man. Made it back home safe. You already know. Comment, like, and subscribe. Tell somebody about your boy channel, man. This is Land Shark out of here, man, on this soggy ride. You already know what it is. Say my slogan along with me. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Peace out. I holla.